Thanks for watching. So this is how I test water heaters for leaks. I use this hydrostatic pressure pump. Got it on Amazon for about $100. And you fill up the water heater completely with water. You want to get all the air out of it. And you cap it off. So you go to the water heater and you put like a 3/4 inch threaded pipe in with a cap on all the penetration points. Fill up the water heater completely with water, get all the air out of it, and then pressurize it. So I'm pumping it up right here and sealing it off. I pressurize it at about 220 psi, and I let it sit for about an hour. And then I come back and see if it drops pressure at all. If it drops pressure, that means it's leaking water out of somewhere in the water heater. It's the most complete way to test the water heater for any leaks, because you never know where a water heater is leaking from. It's not always obvious. And you can see those are all the capped off spots right there on the water heater. I use a shut-off valve to vent all the air out. I'm just cleaning it up right now in case any water spilled. That's how I get the water into the water heater there from the pressure pump. Just use a pipe with another shut-off valve. And it's worked for me, works great. Never had a leaky water heater. I sell used water heaters, so I do this test on them all first before I clean them out and sell them. Anyway, if you need to test your water heater for leaks, I highly recommend this method. Appreciate you watching my video. Please like or subscribe. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Have a great day.